Alright, so it looks like we got a clear engine bay now to kind of work on stuff. I gotta clear up some of the wiring, I guess, but it's gone now, the 2.3. So yeah, a lot of room for activities, and I'm gonna have to start mocking up stuff soon anyway, and seeing about this wiring and getting all that out and getting the new wiring sorted. But that's what's going in. It's a Ford 302 out of an 89 Mustang. I went ahead and got the heads off already. Got the upper lower intake, flywheel, clutch assembly. Finally was able to figure out the plates and everything I needed to run. We'll be running 4.0 engine mounts with adapter plates. Let you know how that goes. The engine is torn down. The engine does turn over a bit, so that's always a good sign. In terms of transmissions, I'm going to be running a M5R2 out of a 94 F150. I haven't figured out the speedometer situation yet, since there is none. Shifter is going to pose a little bit of an interesting thing, because I haven't got the shifter yet, and the location for the Ranger shifter was back there. So it's going to be moved up a little bit. Most of the parts I got, I ended up getting the elbow off of an Explorer, heads off an Explorer, airbox off an Explorer, all the accessory brackets, power steering, got the alternator. Going to be using the AC compressor. Already that was in the vehicle, so that's over there somewhere. There's the old 2.3 head. I'm only running a 96 fuel rail. I got a 98 ECU harness and a Explorer water pump, pulleys, all that good stuff. And the slave cylinder out of the Ranger actually does fit into the M5R2 from what I could find. So hopefully the next week or so I'll actually get something together and we'll see what happens.